Hello my friends, welcome to Dave's Skillet. Today we got another box. This one is from Green Chef. Should be pretty good. And we got the usual stuff inside. They give you some cards. They give me some free box stuff. More information. And the menus that I ordered. And the best one, I think, is this one here. The Thai style coconut chicken curry. Oh my gosh, I love curry. Let's get this open. I like these because they come in a brown paper bag, just like school, you know, take your lunch to school, if that's what you did back in the day. You took your lunch to school like that. Each menu comes like that. The only thing that's not in there is the meat. The meat's on the bottom of the packaging. Oh, these are still, you hear that? They're frozen like a rock. And these are 2 days late. Oh my, yeah, they really, yeah. Oh, that's good. They're rock hard, solid. That's the freezy pack. It's huge. Okay, I can put that right there. It is whopping cold outside. I just went outside to get these off the porch. Woo. Okay, we got the Thai style coconut chicken curry, which I'm going to do that one today. I got pork chops with petrozzini, something like that. Spicy beef broccoli noodle bowls. Probably do that one next, and then I'll do the tetrazzini. I'll do that one last. This is chicken curry. Pork chops, ground beef, chicken cutlet. Pork chop, that goes there. Spicy beef goes there. One goes there. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to put these two in the freezer, and the 2 paper baggies, they're going to go in the freezer. That's going to take a while for this to thaw out. Well, so I got to let that thaw. I got my tea, green tea. Cheers. I put that, one of those lemon slices, in the pot. So I got a lemony flavor. I don't need that right now, if at all. Open this up, take a look at inside, what kind of ingredients. I kind of like it this way because then I don't have to disassemble it. It's all going to be in the bag. And since I'm not going to make it right this second, I'll make it later today. Coconut milk. That's frozen rock hard. Okay. That's going to have to, everything's got to thaw out. Pretty much. Empty it out, Dave. Okay, I got half of a bell pepper, a red bell pepper, half. And they only give you what you literally need to make this tapioca Oh, that's busted open. I'll leave that there so I don't sprinkle it everywhere like on my computer. That's frozen too. Yellow onions and ginger. Everything is, I'm going to leave it out. Since it's frozen, I'll just leave it out on the top of the board. That onion's frozen. Only give me one spring onion. Okay. Everything is literally frozen. I mean, like, woo! That poor guy who's driving that truck around, he ain't got no heat. Got some crushed red pepper. I'll put that there. I got black sesame seeds. I got jasmine rice again. I made some jasmine rice yesterday, but I already froze the second half of that meal because I had to, because today we're doing this. Sometime today. I may have to make one of the other meals because this stuff's all frozen. How am I going to do that? Okay. Even that's frozen. I'm going to leave a tapioca right there because it's busting open. I gotta just put that in the sink because it's literally rock hard. Yeah, I mean, it's beyond frozen. Woo! I'll just put that in the sink. Okay. There's not much I can do right now because everything is rock hard, including the coconut milk. Coconut milk. Rock hard. Wow. Okay, well, let's put that right there. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make, from every plate, I'm going to make the chicken, sausage, and roasted tomato linguine because that's going to take a while for that to thaw out, actually. That ain't going to happen right away, so we'll just, we'll change up and do this menu here because I'm going to have to. Well, that happens, Dave. Wow. I am a bit dry. So I will have some, I got my tea. That's gonna take better part of the day. Gotta take out of the box. That's how they give it to you. Sweet Italian. That's sausage. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. Oh, that is the chicken sausage. Because I bought that separate from the meals. So we're going to go with that. We need aroma. Okay, I need a linguine pasta. I got that. I need the cream cheese. We got that. I need the tomato paste. I thought I had one open in the fridge, but we'll use theirs. That's fine. I need an onion. I'm going to take that one here. It's smaller. And I need some garlic, don't I? I need the shredded Parmesan. I think that's it. Yep. Shredded Parmesan. I'm just making sure. I'm just double checking the check. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Garlic. I need the garlic. I need garlic. I'm going to give me a bit more than that because I think it needs more. So I'm going to give it half of what's left. That's good. That's enough. You can stop. And the rest of this stuff is for the next recipe. Okay, we can just leave that in there. All that can go in the fridge. I ordered some food to be delivered Monday, but I think it'll probably be doing it sparingly. because of the cost. Spent $99 and change. Wow. For something that used to cost me like 50 or 60. I know you're all feeling the pinch. So I'm saying I think this is the best way to go to end the pinch. Oh, that's a tomato. Okay. I was trying to figure out what that red is on the thing, but that's the tomato. It was looking like it was maybe red pepper, bell pepper, but it's not. Put that there. Put that there. Put the chicken meat over, or that is chicken sausage. That's just odd. Okay. Prep shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. Honestly, it shouldn't. But you're the chef. So you kiddos can do what you're going to do. I got my frying pan over there, my skillet, ready on the stovetop. I'll be putting that in it. I made some bacon this morning, so it's got bacon grease in my skillet. And while that's not part of the ingredient, it certainly will be for me. Yeah, I don't want to throw that out. That's some extra flavor to make this even better. You can do that. You don't have to follow the guide 100% unless you're determined to do that. But I rarely do that personally. If I got foods that I'm going to make and I know it takes a certain recipe, you know, I'm going to probably put bacon in it. Oh yeah. Just cut that down like that. I'm just going to cut them in halves like you just saw me do. I don't normally cut that part off, but today I am. Gotta wash that one first. And I'm looking at the picture. I gotta sneeze. Oh. Or maybe not. That happens. Hey, I get one coming. It feels like a hurricane and then nothing. Okay. I went outside to get this box in. My gosh, it's cold out there. Whew. They only show 3, but then that's just a fake picture anyway. I know there's going to be slices of tomato on top, highly dependent upon how I cut this, etc., etc. I got to get my skillet. This sausage won't mind if I got some bacon bits in the pan with some bacon grease. I'm sure it won't mind at all. Yeah. I'm going to put that over here now. Just so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. I'm getting better at it. Hey, it takes time. It's a learning curve. It's not like I'm looking for Metro Golden Mare or anyone else. And I'm not sponsored by anyone. This is all on me. So if there's something you don't like, well, we get to blame the Green Chef today. And every plate, because this is a every plate meal that I'm doing. I missed. So I need a thingy. Okay. We'll jack that up to 10. I'm going to put some cracked pepper on that. Let's see what we got. They do have instructions on the flip side. Of course, you know me, guys, gals. I rarely look at the back of it. But I got to see now. What do you want me to do with this tomorrow? Acid dry, blah, blah, blah. Oh, they want me to heat that up in the oven at 400. Well, I'll just put it in my toaster oven. I'll do the tomatoes in the toaster oven. I got some olive oil. And that's how much olive oil I put on that pan. Yeehaw. And then we put the tomatoes in the pan. I'm going to salt and pepper them. Probably put a little bit more olive oil on top of the tomatoes, not just on the bottom. Yeah. Okay. And it says I gotta do it at 400 degrees. Okay. Don't ask me what that is in Celsius. I have no danged idea. I am definitely old school, and you'll just have to understand that. I'm going to put the onions in there. I didn't look to see if that's where they go, but that's where they're going to go anyway, because that's where I'm going to put them. And now I got to do my garlic. Got to get this. Oh, put that in there too. What the heck? I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. Good enough. Good enough, right? I gotta peel these guys. I had such a mess of it the other day. Phew. It's because I didn't get my little handy trash box out. I got lazy. But we'll get it today. Out of all of them, I think this one's the cheapest one. The Every Plate. And Green Chef is kind of a bit more expensive. But then you get what you pay for. If you want better meals, then you're going to pay more. That's just how it is. I think this is better than buying meals and having them delivered from a restaurant. I looked at that this morning. I was going to get a breakfast, and they wanted it was going to be like $21 for breakfast. I'm like, what? No. I just made my own breakfast at home. It's not like I don't have ingredients. I do. I was just like, okay, I would have to wait for whoever it is to come to my door. Just put that there. And then I got to go out in the cold. That was the kill factor for me, was going out in the winter. It's winter here. Cut this all up into little bits. I'm going to pour it right on top of the meat because I don't want it getting overcooked right off. And once I start chopping the meat up, its essences and oils and so forth will get right in it. Okay. Put that right on top of the meat, just like that. Whew. Let's just put that in the sink because I don't need that. I'm done chopping and cutting. Anyway. Oh, man. I'm happy that food was frozen like a rock. Don't get me wrong. Even though I would have liked to make one of those today. No, that's okay. I got these delivered yesterday and they're kind of thawed out, really thawed out. And I'm like, well, I can't freeze it until I cook it. Drink. And that goes on at the end. And this is going to go on. I got to make the rice. No, you don't make the rice. You make the linguine. I guess I got to put that in with the meat. What's it say? I don't know. When do you put the pasta? I got to put some more oil. Okay. So, I'm not really worried because there was a fair amount of bacon fat in there. And so, there's that. So we're going to put this tomato paste in right now. And it'll get stirred into the meat once the meat starts to, get cooked. And I'm going to have to start some water up for the pasta. When does that go in there? It must go in now. Okay. And that goes in after you've got it cooking. That goes in with the Parmesan. Okay, I don't have to worry about that right now. So I gotta put some salt in the water. I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons of salt. I'm not going to put oil in it. You don't do that. Don't put oil in the water. That will ruin the pasta. There's one. Here's two. Away. Put that right there for now. Let's see what this is saying to me here. Okay, I put the sour cream and cheese. I put that just before I make or after I start the pasta. And then that's going to be sitting here because I won't be cooking it anymore. Once I put it on here, it's going to be done. So there's that. Oh, my nose got really cold. Whew. It's like it's been frozen and now it's thawing out. I just looked at what I call cooking downhill. It's cast iron. It's on an electric hob. And it'll stay hot for quite a while, quite a spell. Now, see, this is where you can add stuff that you like. I'm going to put some of that on it because, heck yeah, I'm going to add some water to the pot, pan, skillet. Not a lot. There's only about that much. Maybe like a quarter cup of water I added to it. Back up to 10. I don't know why I turned it off, but I did. Okay, that's good. Now we can put the sour cream guy. Philadelphia. That's the tomatoes. They'll come out and go in the pool with the rest of the fellowship. Yeah. It should blend up real nicely. See, that's why I put the water in. Just to help that blend a lot easier. And now I'm going to go get my tomatoes and put them in with the rest of the guests. And these tomatoes are roasting hot now. I probably could have left them in there a little bit longer and put some color on them other than what they got. But hey, you know, it's okay. We can do that way and spread it around just a wee bit there. And that's pretty much a done deal for right now. And then I got to get a bowl. I'll just get 2 bowls out because I need 2 bowls. This is for 2 people, so I got to make it like, okay, it's for 2. There we go. I'll put this one on that bowl. And then the second bowl, well, you'll get the idea, right? You know what I'm doing. No need to see the second bowl as well as the first one. I'll push that over, I suppose. Yeah, there we go. That works, right? You can still see the skillet in the backdrop. Okay. We'll be back as soon as my pasta is done, which is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes for it to cook. And yeah, we'll be back. And we are back, finally. Everything's done. And that is pretty much what it looks like. I just pulled the pasta. So we'll put that in there. We'll put the rest of that in there. And we gotta put a little bit. Gotta make them even. Even Steven, right? Okay. Maybe I put too much in there. Okay. So there's that. That's about right. Now I gotta get a spoon. Need a big one. It's looking good. It's smelling good. Mm-hmm. If you want to add Parmigiano, Reggiano, you can do that, sure. I may do that myself. But for right now, following the recipe, they give you everything to make the recipe good, but you can add, you know, whatever you like. That's about right, isn't it? Looks about right. Here. I don't know if I got the weight correct, but I'll know in a second if I got it. There's one way to do that. You don't have to weigh it, but I'm going to. Just to see what we got. 49.6 ounces, 47.1. Okay, that's pretty close, actually. That's not bad. I bet it's close now. A little closer. So what have we got now? We got 47.8, 48.8, 1 ounce difference. Okay, that's enough. That could be down to the pasta. Fine. Good. I'm not going to struggle trying to figure out an ounce between them, but there you go. Now I got to see, what does it taste like? Because I don't know. I've been sitting here, standing here, making it, but I don't know what it tastes like till now. Okay, I can tell you it's not really salty, but it has enough salt in it. You don't need to add any salt to it. Mm-hmm. 2 o'clock. on the button. It's exactly 2 o'clock. And that's my time to eat. So I did this pretty quick. Doesn't take that long. And I recommend it. Now this is every plate. This isn't Green Chef, this one. And that's okay. I'll get to the other one tomorrow. I do have to let that thaw out. It is literally as hard as a rock. That's frozen pretty good. And that's okay. I'd rather have it that way than not at all. I just stir this up. The other one I'm going to freeze because I have more meals to make, right? So I will just bag this up and freeze it. And then when I want to have it, the hard work's done. All I got to do is thaw it out, heat it up, and dinner time. Trying to suck it up when you got a mouthful is not easy. It doesn't really need anything else. Like I said, I could put some Parmesan on there, and I probably will. But it's a done deal. Like and subscribe. Give me a like down below. Right down there, just push that guy, the little thumbs up guy. Give me a thumbs up. That way I know you like it. Okay? Yummy, yummy for my tummy. We'll see you on the next one.